Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this account cannot use WhatsApp. So if you are facing the same issue that this error is coming out that your account cannot use WhatsApp. So what you have to do is first of all, you just have to open the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. And then in the search bar, you just have to search for this WhatsApp and then you just have to tap on this WhatsApp Messenger, and if you scroll down a little bit you will see this option developer contact. If you tap on this arrow, this drop down menu will appear. Just tap on this website. This will bring you to this page. Now tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and then tap on this help center, and now scroll down all the way to the bottom and then you will find this option contact us. So you just have to tap on this contact us. This will bring you on this page and you will see these options: WhatsApp Messenger support and WhatsApp business support. So depending on you what WhatsApp you are using, you just have to select the WhatsApp you are using. If you are using Messenger, just tap on this WhatsApp Messenger support, and if you are using business, tap on this business support. So in my case I'm using messengers, so I'm going for WhatsApp Messenger support. Tap on this contact us, and now you have to enter your mobile number, like on what mobile number you are using on WhatsApp, and you have to select your country as well. Then you have to enter your Gmail address and you have to confirm your Gmail address, and after putting Gmail address you have to choose your device on which device you are using WhatsApp. So in my case it's for Android, and then in the last option you have to write WhatsApp what problem you are facing. So you have to write something like this: without any reason my WhatsApp number is banned, please review my account and unban as soon as possible. And then you have to enter your number and then just tap on this next step, and now you can see this kind of window. So you just have to tap on this send question, and then after 2 or 3 business days WhatsApp will send you email and they will review your account and hopefully they will fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.